Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna film an updated version of the Drugstore starter kit just because I have some newer products that I want to mention that are just incredible products and that I would like to recommend. So let's start in order of application with primer. I have in here the Essence Hello Good Stuff. I talked about this one a bunch of times. It is just great. It's glowy, not sticky, hydrating. Foundations are just perfect on top of it. So I think it is the best drugstore primer out there and I really like it. For foundation, I decided to recommend this one. It is the L'Oreal True Match. I have in here the shade number 1N. This one is just great. It is liquidy, so it is easy to blend. It spreads evenly and beautifully. This one looks so natural on the skin and I think it works for all skin types because it is this natural and lightweight. I really enjoy this one. It's a really good one from the drugstore. For concealer, I have actually two. The one that I did recommend last time, by the way, I will link that video down below. I have another one with really good recommendations as well. The True Skin from Catrice. This is a favorite. It will be always a favorite. It's just a really good concealer overall. And the other one that I want to add to this list is the Bear With Me from NYX. This is just great. You can use this one as foundation and concealer 2-in-1, and it's glowy, hydrating, and it's medium coverage. This one is just a bit more coverage, but this one is just natural and glowy, and I think it works for, again, all skin types and all ages because it doesn't emphasize the under eyes wrinkles or the skin under the eyes that is very thin. Let's move to powder. The drugstore powder of choice is this one. I did recommend this one previously. It is the HD from NYX. I have it in banana and it is just a good pressed powder overall. I'm going through these ones so fast, but I just want to mention some really good drugstore products that I think are great for beginners and that are just so easy to use, so you can't mess them up. And that's the perfect description for this one. This is the Revolution cream bronzer. I have it in the shade Light. It's so good. You can just take a sponge and blend this one on your cheeks and it will look always blended, smooth and beautiful. I really like this one. It is a really good cream bronzer and it is affordable. Next we have the blush category, and here I did struggle a bit. My recommendation is this one, the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush. It is beautiful, but I did declutter mine, and not because it's not absolutely beautiful, because it is, and it is a good quality product. It's just because I like high-end blushes more. It is what it is, but this one is really good quality. NYX has some really good quality blushes, so I would recommend these two brands. Lastly, for the face part, we have highlighter, and in here I just need to recommend this one, the BH Cosmetics highlighter, the Sun Flecks. I have it here in Sun Chaser and it is my favorite highlighter right now. At some point I was not in love with highlighters that much. Right now I love highlighter, and it is because of this one. It's just so easy to blend, it's melting into the skin, it's affordable, and it's the best. Let's move into brows. In here I want to of course recommend this one again, the NYX powder pencil. I think you can go to NYX for so many things, brows and for sure lips. I'm gonna mention that in just a second. This one is in the shade Taupe. I have a backup of it. It's just my favorite. For a brow gel, I want to recommend this one, the Essence Make Me Brow. I think from the drugstore, this is still one of the best, and it is so affordable, so it is perfect in a makeup starter kit. My absolute favorite brow gel, still high-end, but this one is just a really good product overall, so I want to recommend it as well. For eyes, an eyeshadow base that is just great is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Base. So I'm gonna put a picture. I went through one of those and it is really good. Then let's recommend some palettes. This one from Wet n Wild is just so great. I am impressed, really. It is the Color Icon in the Call Me Sunshine array. It's just a neutral gold palette, but it's so good quality. I am impressed. This brown in here, it is actually pigmented and actually blendable, and a really good really good formula in here. You have some really pigmented shimmers, but at the same time something a bit more flaky and more taupery. You have this one for the inner corner. So this palette is really well made. I do recommend you to purchase this one. It's just so affordable and so great. Another brand that makes really good eyeshadows that are affordable. I wouldn't call this drugstore, but it is affordable. So let's put it in here as well. It is by the brand Beauty Bay. And this is a very colorful palette. It is a tropical one. This is so good quality. They are pigmented, bright, and really beautiful shadows. And the shimmers as well are really great. So I need to recommend Beauty Bay as well. And I would like to add the NYX shadows in here as well because they are really good pigmented and they are nice shadows overall. So that is with eyeshadows. Then for eyeliners, I need to recommend these ones. This is the Streamline eyeliner from Makeup Revolution. Amazing, amazing eyeliners. You don't need to splurge. These are the best. They are great, pigmented, and they have multiple really nice colors. Look at this one. So this is just great. And lastly, for mascara, I need to recommend this one. It is the Lash Princess in the pink tube. It is the curl and volume. You get a really voluminous and beautiful lash with this one. I can't. It's just the best. For lips, let's go back to NYX. The NYX Line Loud lip liners, they are just great. Creamy, but not too creamy, pigmented. They have a bunch of colors and they are just affordable and really good quality. So I need to recommend them. And then for lips, I have in here different kind of formulas. So for a matte lip cream, this one is just great, again from NYX. It is the Smooth Whip and it's just comfortable, pretty long lasting, not drying but not transferring everywhere. It's just really nice, and again they have beautiful colors. And lastly from NYX, because I mentioned way too many NYX products, this one, it is a great gloss. This is Milky Gloss. I have it in Salted Caramel Shake. Smells amazing, tastes amazing, don't eat it, but anyway. And it's a more pigmented gloss, but in the best way. It looks so juicy. I really like it. Then I have a lipstick that is kind of duping the Luster Glass from MAC that I really love. But this one has just a bit of pearl finish in there. I don't know, it has some shimmers, but it's really pearly. It is the Revlon Super Lustrous. I have in here Smoky Rose. It's beautiful, comfortable, glossy, but not shimmery. It's just a bit pearly, like I said. It's great. I really like it. And another glossy, but at the same time pigmented product, it is the Vinyl Ink from Maybelline. You need to shake this one. I have in here the shade Peppy. It is rose shade. So it's just stunning. This formula is 11 out of 10 and I really like this packaging as well. It is sturdy and a good packaging overall. The vinyl is raised. And lastly, I want to recommend some glosses that are just normal hydrating glosses. I have two. One is from Essence, one is from Catrice. They are pretty similar in my opinion. Catrice and Essence, practically the same brand, but I have here the Hydra Kiss lip oil from Essence and the tinted lip oil from Catrice. They are both pretty orange. This one is a bit thicker in my opinion, and this one is a bit more thin, but again, they are practically very similar. I think Catrice and Essence makes pretty nice lip oils and lip glosses. And if you are using glosses or lip oils as I do, reapplying throughout the day, multiple times per day, then it's nice to have some from the drugstore. So this is everything. The starter kit, of course, you can pick and choose whatever you like and you need, but these are some really great products that I really love, and they are affordable, good quality, and from the drugstore. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.